Hello, TV Pal. Can you send someone over? Oh, good, thank you.
Handy dandy TV repair at your service.
Oh, good. Oh, dude, come in. The TV is over there.
Well, what seems to be the problem?
Well, I turn it on, but I don't do anything. No picture, no sound, nothing.
Sounds serious. Let me have a look.
Oh, deal.
Well, it's not that, and it's not this. Well, I think I found the problem.
The picture too bright?
No.
The sound too thin?
No.
Then what is it?
You haven't got it plugged in.
The plug? Oh, no.
That will be $87 for the house call.
What? Our $87 you?